Hello everyone! Today's video is a room tour of the historic Prince of Wales Hotel located in Waterton Lakes National Park, Alberta, Canada. If you are interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. First off, the parking lot is located outside like this, and there is an extra $12 charge for hotel guests. Now let's head inside to check in. The view through the huge lobby windows is absolutely beautiful. It honestly looks like a painting. The Prince of Wales Hotel is a beautiful historic landmark that was built back in 1927. In 1993, it was officially designated as a National Historic Site by the Historic Site and Monument Board thanks to its unique Alpine-style architecture and its role in promoting tourism in the Rockies. The elevator here is still the original one, so you actually need to ride it with a hotel staff member.
Yeah, have you seen that it's hand cranked?
Oh.
Which room are you?
4. 400. How you know that?
You keep going until you stop, and when you want to stop, you just pull the handle.
Oh.
Yeah. And you have to time it perfectly. Yeah, it's quite cool. What did you say? 400. 400? If you go to your left, and then take another left straight away.
There is no air conditioning either, just a fan is provided. And there aren't any extra amenities like a fitness center. So it's probably more comfortable to stay here in the spring or fall rather than in the middle of summer. Now let's take a look inside the room. There is one double bed and one single bed in the room. There is no closet, just this set of hangers here. You will find a small table and chair, plus an ice bucket and glasses, but there is no coffee maker or mini fridge. There are small trash bins, and the sink is located outside the bathroom in this older style layout. They provide hand lotion and soap, And there is a mirrored cabinet where you can store your personal items. Towels are also provided. The bathroom itself has been renovated in a modern style. It's quite clean and comes with a basic shower amenities. The window is old-fashioned kind. But the view from the room was absolutely amazing. There is a small drawer in the bedside table, and that seems to be the only one storage space available. Wi-Fi is free, but it was not really working well, so we couldn't really use it. Also, just a heads up, if you need a hairdryer, there is a $12 charge for request one. One more thing to keep in mind, when going down, you will need to use the stairs.
이따가 화장실 1층에서 화장실.
On the main floor, there is a gift shop and a restaurant.
6시 반부터 할게.
Even though it's pricey and a bit inconvenient, the hotel's unique historic architecture and stunning location make it one of the most popular landmarks in the area. There are no any other amenities, but the view right in front of the hotel is absolutely stunning. If you are looking for modern comfort, this might not be the place for you. However, if you want to experience a piece of historic architecture and spend a night or more in Waterton Lakes Park, this is definitely a hotel worth considering. There are also plenty of restaurants and cafes nearby, and the campground is close as well. If you haven't seen my previous video about camping in Waterton Lakes Park, I will leave a link for you to check it out. I hope you enjoy it. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!